Come to Haas Automall. Stop. Read this. Don't waste your chance. Automatic transmission. Owning this good-looking 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. New car test drive. Called it roomy, versatile, pleasant to drive and nice to look. Automatic transmission. It accelerates quickly and corners reasonably well, which makes it pleasant to drive. This Pacifica is a great SU5 that we have placed automatic transmission a brilliant price. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. Advertised price excludes tax, title, license, registration, filing and documentary fee. Equipment listed within each vehicle. GSG features and options. G section is how it was equipped when manufactured new only. Current G features and options. G may differ. Vehicle advertisement postings do not.